Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a complete declutter with me. So for the last few months, I have decluttered literally everything in my house except for clothes. So I thought I would take you guys along with me and hopefully provide you with some motivation to get a few things out of your house.
So the first thing that I did was I went through all of the clothes that I had saved from my daughter that she had outgrown. I decided to keep only the newborn sizes plus any items that I absolutely loved or had really sentimental value. I had several totes that I was storing in the garage, and it was just starting to get super overwhelming with all of the clothes and becoming unrealistic to keep everything.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make.
So as you can see here, my keep pile was getting pretty big, so I decided to go back through and make a hard pass on some items. I really wanted to keep only one tote of girls' clothes, and so I had to be really intentional on what I was actually going to keep.
Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Donate to local shelters, and so I wasn't planning on doing that this year, but I had a lot of stuff that I had kept that I didn't realize, and so I thought it would be a good idea to go through everything and just get rid of all of the stuff that I don't need. After I went through all of the clothes that Audrey had outgrown, I decided to go through all of the clothes that she had that were in her next size up and switch out her summer stuff with her fall stuff. I also went through all of the random things that were in little baskets in her closet that had kind of piled up. And this is the next day because I didn't have enough time to finish everything in one day. So I ended up doing this over 2 different days.
All because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move.
For my son's clothes, because he's only in his 3-month size still, there's not very much that he's outgrown. So I ended up going through the clothes that he has that he hasn't grown into yet and pulling out all of the 6-month sizes and then storing all of the 9 and 12-month sizes in the garage.
Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
For his next size up clothes, I decided to put him in this tote. It's just from IKEA, but I figured I could put all of his 6-month sizes in this tote, and then that way I can just pull everything out as I need it as he outgrows the 3-month sizes. And then I have a second tote like this that's empty, so I think I'm going to use that to put all of his 3-month clothes in as he outgrows them. Well, that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope it gave you lots of motivation to go through an area in your house and declutter and get rid of anything that you don't need. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap that bell because I make new videos every week and you don't want to miss out. I'll see you guys later.